Hey guys, and welcome back to Natural Beauty. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and on this channel I show you guys how to make all natural products for health and beauty. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make mango butter. And this mango butter can be used on your skin, and it can also be used on your hair. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so here you see I have some mango seeds. And this is what your mango looks like after you've taken the fruit off. You're left with this seed right here. So what you want to do is just dry this seed out. And this is what you're looking for with your mangoes. You're actually looking for this seed right here that's inside of that mango shell. And you want to peel that skin off like this. And you want to grate it up. They're loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, they're antioxidants, and they can prevent sun damage, and they can also prevent premature aging. So as you can see, mangoes are very good for your skin. Mango seeds also encourage hair growth because it produces sebum, and the sebum is what moisturizes your scalp and keeps your hair healthy, and it allows your hair to grow. So I have 3 seeds here. I've already grated up 1 mango seed here. So I'm going to grate up the rest of these seeds. So you're going to need a total of about 4 seeds. So I'm going to finish grinding up these mango seeds, and I'm going to show you guys what comes next. Okay guys, so I have my pan heating up on a medium low heat. And to this pan, you want to go ahead and add your 2 cups of coconut oil. Now to this coconut oil, you want to go ahead and add in your mango seeds. Now you want to let these grated mango seeds just cook down until all the moisture has been cooked out by the oil. And you want to make sure that you're keeping this down on a low heat because you want to keep all the nutrients from your mango seeds. So we're going to let this cook down, and I'll check back with you guys in a few minutes so you can see what it looks like. Okay guys, so you see all these bubbles here? These bubbles are coming from the moisture that's inside of your mango seed. So you just want to continue to let this cook down. And guys, you want to remember that you should be cooking this on low heat. I know that I said a medium low heat. I'm just going to cook this on a low heat, just to make sure we're not compromising the nutrients inside of our mango seed. Okay guys, so you see how all those bubbles are now gone. So you want to go ahead and turn your fire off and set your oil off to the side so it can cool down. Okay guys, so I have a bowl here and I have a strainer, and I'm just going to put a paper towel in the strainer like this. Then I'm going to take our oil and just pour it onto our paper towel so it can strain. See how that's just straining through like that. If by any chance you've missed any pieces or anything, just go ahead and restrain it again because you don't want any mango pieces inside of your oil. Now as you can see, this is pure oil right here. You don't see any pockets of moisture or anything inside of our oil. So that's what I was telling you guys. You want to make sure that you cook all of the moisture out of your mangoes, because if you don't, that moisture will allow bacteria to start growing it into your butter, and you don't want that to happen. So to this oil, you want to go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of grapeseed oil and 1/2 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, and you want to put that in. And you want to add about 2 tablespoons of shea butter. So this is ready at this point. So if you want to go ahead and add some mango oil to this, you can go ahead and do that as well. And I'm going to be putting 15 to 20 drops of mango oil in here. And this mango essential oil. All right. And you want to mix that up. Now you just want to put this in your refrigerator to cool down. I just took my oil out of the refrigerator, and as you can see, it is now solid. So now what you want to do is get your hand mixer and you want to whip this up. Now you just want to scrape your bowl down just to make sure you're getting everything mixed in. And go ahead and give it another mix. Now this is all done, guys, and as you can see, we're just left with a nice thick and creamy body butter like this. So now you want to just take this and put it into a container. So here's a jar I got from the dollar store. So I'm just gonna open it up. And just fill my container with the body butter. And that's pretty much it, guys. You just take some, put it in your hands like this, rub it in, and your hands will be nice and moisturized like this. And it's not super greasy at all. It just absorbs right into your skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.